So welcome to Spring Everyday. This video is the second step number 2, to create a complete Spring Boot project for a forum web application. If you are wondering how to initialize the whole Spring project and you don't know how to do it yet, so you can watch the previous video, step number 1. So this is step number 2. In this step, we will connect Thymeleaf to controller, so which is this line. So let's start it. So first, you can see there's a template folder. This template folder is where the Thymeleaf hold the templates. So let's create a template. Every template is a HTML file. So once you create the HTML file, you can just do it as a HTML. So the good thing is if you tap doc, and it will automatically give you a HTML template. So let's call it Spring Everyday Forum, and let's put some word here. So welcome to Spring Everyday Forum, and you can save it. And then what we need to do is to create a controller. So the controller would under the Java, and you create a folder. Normally we create a controller under a controller folder or controller package. And the controller is a Java project, a Java file. And this Java file, the first thing you need to do is to define it as a controller. So the Spring knows this is a controller. And of course, you don't have to call it home controller. You can name it any name, but normally name it a home controller and define a home controller would help you. And then you need to create a get, and the get start with get mapping, and you can let it help you to create the body. So this is the home, right? So this is directly a slash would give you the home, and this is a string. So this string would be the view name. I'll explain to you what is view name, and the home method. And for this method, we don't need to take any parameter at this moment, so we don't do that. And now we just home, and this home is exactly the template name. So you are return a template name in the string, and for this endpoint. So this is exactly what you need to do, and you just need to save it. So now we're ready to test. So let's come to this page, and you come to the local host, and you see welcome to Spring Everyday Forum. And this is what this one trying to present to you. You can make a change. You see hello, and save. And if you refresh this page, you would see your change. Hello, welcome to Spring Everyday Forum. Now so far we have presented a static template, and we don't have anything dynamic. We don't have anything is changing, right? So what you can do is you come to this controller, and now it's time to introduce, because we just have the controller and a view. So now it's time to come the model. So the model and model, and this is why exactly why we call Spring MVC Add Attribute. So we want to give them an attribute. So what's the attribute? We will, let's see, call it a username. And what is the username? And we want to see, let's see, LeBron James. So let's see, LeBron James like our forum, and he posts something here. So that's exactly how you have a model here, and save. Now you have data to the template. Now how the template would use or consume the data, and that's how. So let me show you. So first you put down a span, and and then you put down th text equal, and you would see user name. Okay, so this username would exactly as so let's do that. So this username has to match exactly what the key here. So you see the model attribute are all like a key and value, right? So you have to use the key here and match the key here. Now you do have both sides and talk to each other using the same key, okay? Now if you retest it, you would expecting a username here. So, hey, hello, LeBron James, welcome to Spring Everyday Forum. So this is how you pass data. And let's see if you want to change the name of LeBron James to another guy. Let's say you don't like him, and you may say I love Steve Nash more. Okay, so you can see we changed to Steve Nash, and we want to see the name has been changed. Okay, so refresh, and you will see Steve Nash instead of LeBron James. So this is how you pass data in a model from the controller to the view, which is the template in Thymeleaf. So now we actually have connected the model, controller, and a view, so MVC together. However, this model is really like a dummy one, right? So for the next step, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to connect the controller to a service, and I will create some service to serving the data, and so the controller can pass it to the Thymeleaf and get it displayed. So thank you for watching. See you next video.